Let's give it a little revs, a couple revs. I got the video, the moto vlog thing going, so we got the new exhaust on, if you can hear. Listen to this first clip of the exhaust. This thing sounds insane, guys. Like, let me get to a little bit more open road, but this exhaust, you hear that? It pops when it heats up too. Look at this! Guys, how insane is that? Downshift? Alright, where are we now? Let's see here. I think we have to go this way? Yeah, guys, pure sound. Cops up there, and there's traffic. I'm not down for that. I'm gonna turn around right here. Onto the rocks, guys. Guys, this exhaust sounds insane. I wish you could hear it from like back there. Oh my god. Do a little downshift right here. It does that when you hold it. Pure sound, guys, pure sound. Look at these beautiful like roads. It's like a different bike, guys. With this exhaust, it's like you can actually hear it. It revs out. It doesn't feel like it's choking up. But this is amazing, guys. I'm so happy with this bike. All I need now is like a steering dampener, and it should be good. Let's do a little pull right here, guys. Alright, ready? Like just the sound of it, oh, makes me want to go fast. I love the pops too. When it gets warm, it pops like crazy. And the baffles are still in there, by the way. The baffles are still in there. Oh my god. But yeah, guys. I hope you guys like this. Oh, I need to go over there. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you like the new exhaust, and I'll see you guys in the next one. But yeah, guys, this exhaust here, I'm gonna give you a little walk around again, but yeah, guys, this exhaust is crazy. Like, look at this thing, so beautiful. Let's give it a little revs, a couple revs. Yeah, that's crazy, guys. You see that? Alright, guys, hope you like this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.